Hello everyone, and welcome back to the daily update on my 1000 days challenge. It's day 632, so let's get things started. Yesterday is a Sunday itself, it's actually closing to the end of the Sunday itself, but like what I mentioned, today is just going to do a very quick run through of Bitcoin itself as it's a Sunday. So in terms of the 4-hourly chart, as you can see, it's still consolidating over here, nothing much of a major change. So, on the daily chart, nothing much of a major change. Similarly, look in terms of 4-hourly chart, you're also seeing relatively flat price action itself. So definitely leaning over here do tentatively leans towards further bearish momentum, especially when we're consolidating over here. But I can see that the moving averages relatively all of it across the board, be it 20 exponential moving average, 50, 200, all of which on the forward chart looks to be relatively flat in terms of the angle wise, whereby you don't see a strong trend like here, or even strong trend like here itself. So definitely I do see that there's a potential towards the upside or the downside. I would say price action right now is definitely on the choppy side of things. If you're definitely looking to trade, especially on a shorter time frame, I would lean towards some sort of a range bound cover strategy rather than a trend following cover strategy. That would be my opinion in that sense. All right, and more importantly, on the weekly closing that's about to close in a couple of hours ahead, so in just 8 hours to go, the key thing that we see is we want to see some sort of support over here. Potentially, it could only happen this week, whereby a slight dip towards here. If we do see very strong support coming in to close right above it, that would be a very good sign, because tentatively we did have 3 bearish weeks. Considering this week that there will be 4 consecutive weeks of bearish momentum for Bitcoin, where we went to a high of around 47K all the way back down to this 39K region itself. So we could even protest towards the 34 to 35K region itself, or even lower if we break strongly below that. But we do maintain over here itself, and if a very strong break, then definitely we could retest even the 25K region itself. So that is definitely something that is a possibility. But like what I mentioned, until that has taken place, I'm not exactly entirely bearish right now. I'm not entirely bullish right now as well. All right, otherwise, that's more or less about it. I don't see any clear direction in terms of either direction. I'm not entering to enter any new trades. And with that said, I've come to the end of today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.